Talapia. Okay. Assalamualaikum and good afternoon. My name is Faiz bin Muhammad Tahir and my group will present about Mengkibol River, which is located at Kluang town. The predominant land use was residential and commercial area. Mengkibol River is a small river that flows to northward to the town of Kluang. Mengkibol River receives flow from Melanta River before joining the Semrong River. The upstream of the river is located in the palm oil estate near to the Kampung Sayong, which an estimated length of 20 km, and Kluang town lies about 110 km north of Johor Bahru, west of Mesir and south of Sungai. In Johor, around 50 rivers were highly polluted, and the state government need to embark on the river restoration exercise, which is priority given to improving water dam management. So do you think the Mengkibol River is important?
Yes!
So yes, this is important because Mengkibol has been transformed into the urban drain where all the discharge from Kluang town were channeled into the Mengkibol. So, what do you think the Mengkibol River category as class? So let's go. My teammate will discuss about it.
Water quality play a crucial role in indicating the health of aquatic ecosystem. However, there are certain factors can negatively impact of the water quality in Sungai Mengkibol. Here are some factors from our observation in this Sungai Mengkibol, which is urban development.
Urban development. As population has grown in Kluang town, so the demand for housing, food and clothes is increased. As the city developed, they have resulted in increase in construction and industrialization. All this development affects the condition of the Mengkibol River that is situated in this town.
Secondly, about the invasive species. The introduction of the invasive species can disrupt natural ecosystems, such as plankton.
This kind of fish does disrupt our aquatic ecosystem. Their presence poses a danger to the ecosystem in two ways, which is threatening and outcompete native local species for resource and reducing water or habitat quality.
Two factories that located near the Mengkibol River, which is Federal Oil Factory and Mirror Rubber Factory, produce a half amount of the waste.
These two industries do not have proper waste management system and drain the waste in the fresh water which goes into the river. The toxic chemical that mix up with the water and discharge to the river have the capability to change the color of water.
Chemical pollutant can be toxic of the water quality. Mengkibol River also near with the small agriculture. Chemical fertilizer and pesticides are used by the farmer to protect crops from the insects and bacteria. However, when it rains, the chemical mix up with the rainwater and flow down into the Mengkibol River and is harmful for the aquatic animal. In addition, these chemicals are mixed up with the water of the river, produce harmful for the plant and animal.
What is the implications from this Sungai Mengkibol? Even though this Mengkibol River is not one of the source of water for the Kluang residents, but the environment is not safe for humans. The domestic and solid waste that have been discharged to this river can become a medium for the growth of germs such as flies and mosquitoes. So these germs will be spreading and can affect human health such by their foods and the environment. So this might get a crucial disease such as cholera and town. In this Mengkibol river, there is aquatic life such as fish. So if the government is not properly treated this river for the next 2 years or maybe in the future, this aquatic life that depends on the water bodies will be killed by their pollutants and habitats. Ecosystem around Mengkibol river can be severely changed or destroyed by water pollution. Many areas along this river are now being affected by careless human pollution. The value of BOD tests from previous research shown that the river was not really clean as in class 4. If this happened continuously, many ecosystems will be affected and die. If the qualities of river are increasingly polluted, the image of Kluang town will be affected because the river is also flowing around the city.
Now I will talk about how the solution to improve the water quality of Sungai Mengkibol through the method of the municipal sewerage system. Because the main treatment process is geared towards the organic removal. This system is suitable and efficiency because it only needs the small number area of plant, high stability of cleaning, and suitable for object with irregular operation. You also have low operation cost and needs simple installation only. In Johor, Majlis Bandaraya Johor Bahru has run the management of sewerage service in the local authority operation area, including Mengkibol rivers in Kluang. In a typical treatment plant, this wastewater is directed through a series of physical, chemical and biological processes, each with a specific waste load reduction task. The series of processes are designed to reduce BOD, COD, and in fact also to reduce the dissolved solid. The major process of municipal wastewater treatment system are pre-treatment, primary treatment, second treatment and tertiary treatment. Each process has a specific degree of performance. Primary treatment is the first step in wastewater treatment. This process involves our screening and grid chamber. Treatment will come out as bar screen combinations and grid chambers. Primary treatment is the top screen up and grind out and separate debris. Primary treatment, often called clarification, sedimentation or settling, is the second step in treatment and separates suspended solid and grease from wastewater. Wastewater is held in a quiet tank for several hours, allowing the particles to settle to the bottom and the grease to float to the top. The solid drawn off to the bottom and skimmed off the top receive further treatment as sludge. The clarified wastewater flow on the next stage of wastewater treatment. Clarified and sedative tank are usually used to primary treatment. For the second treatment, it's a biological treatment process to remove the dissolved organic matter from wastewater. It's the availability of many organisms, organic material, oxygen. The stabilization of organic material by material pollutant is accomplished by microbeads, which convert collider and dissolved organic matter into gas and protoplasm. Microbeads need elements like terminal electron, scepter, micronutrients, micronutrient appropriate environment like moisture, temperature and pH. 3 approaches are used to accomplish second treatment: fixed firm, suspending firm and lagoon system. Next it involves the decomposition of waste where the removal of the organic matter from the sewage occurs through the process of catabolism.
Tilapia. Okey. Kecil je. Sini ada ikan tilapia besar ke bang?
Ada.
Ha?
Ada tapi susah nampak sini.
Jenis tilapia lah yang ada kat sini Keli, oh keli pun ada. maksudnya abang dapat ikan tu bergantung surut ke naik eh?
Jentik ada lah.
Oh. Ha? Ni ikan bandaraya?
To sum it up, our previous understanding in the quality of a good river is to maintain the best water quality in order to support the aquatic life or high economical value. As for the quality at the Mengkibol River, and based on the past paper, the BOD parameters are classified as class 4 in the water quality index that we know the water is very polluted. So based on our observation from fishing at Mengkibol River, mostly they got catfish and tilapia fish. Besides that, pleco also found in that river. So what is the meaning of that? It means that tilapia and catfish can survive in very polluted water even the dissolved oxygen is low. However, pleco fish can be problematic in non-native environments where they may outcompete local species or disrupt the balance of the ecosystem. Introducing any non-native species can have unintended consequences, so it is important to be cautious and responsible when managing aquarium fish or releasing them into the wild. Last but not least, governmental initiatives and regulations play a crucial role in preserving ecosystems. Responsible environmental policies, conservation efforts, and sustainable practice can help protect biodiversity and maintain ecological balance. It is essential for citizens to advocate for and support measures that promote the well-being of our ecosystem. So that's all from our groups. Thank you!